好 ，here for 小猫猫这个 character 你认识吗 ？Can you recognize？ 好，and this one how to read？ 这是对，这是什么？这是狗，狗。对，这是猫。你看，猫 and 狗 they have the same radical, right? This part, the same. 好 ，we see the rest part of these two characters. You see this part? 这个你知道吗 ？You know this one? Oh, tell me how to read. This 对，很好 part of. And this one also a character. This one we pronounce as miáo. 对，很好，miáo. 好 and also we have let me see this part. How to read? How to read? You can tell me how to. Okay. The pronunciation is tián. Tián. 对，很好。The meaning is land. Tián means land. You can see this is just like a piece of land, right? We cut into 4 parts, so this is a whole land. 好 now we can read it again. This one. 对，很好。second tone we need to attention. 田。对，很好。好 try again. What is land? 对，很好。好 now we back to say this one. 田 plus radical. This radical. So that'll be which one? Still second tone. Rest up. Miáo. 对，好 try again. 对，很好，苗。好 so 对，苗 means sapling. 苗 okay or sitting 苗 so because we can see this radical is related to the trees or the plants, so we add it. This is just like on this land here is some plants here. This is miáo. Okay.